What's up guys, Hong in here for OG Fitness, and in today's video I just want to talk to you guys about a must-have in my opinion. Okay, if you guys are lifting weights, practicing martial arts, or any kind of other sport really. This is called a Theragun, right? It's a percussion massage gun, whatever. Essentially it's a drill, and it just like does like deep tissue massage, right? And I got this and I use it pretty much every single day, right? Before I work out, after I work out, or when I have pain. And I'll show you guys how it looks like, okay? So I'm gonna open this up here and ta-da, this thing right here. Now I bought this one because I checked out the reviews on the internet, on YouTube and stuff like that, and this one was the most expensive one. Now I didn't buy it because it was the most expensive one. I bought it because I really felt that it was worth the money, in my opinion, right? This thing here in Canadian dollars was about $700. With the taxes and all that, it came up to about $872, right? I know it sounds crazy, and you can find cheaper models. I mean, you don't necessarily have to buy this one. This one has like really cool features, right? Like this thing, it's adjustable, this arm, so you could like angle it differently depending on what body part you want to hit, right? Also comes with like 2 batteries. Like there's another one in the box there, charger, blah blah blah. And it's so I felt it was worth it, this one. And I know it sounds crazy, but if you think about it, let's say you take that $878 that I spent, right? And you divide it by 365 days a year, right? It comes up to about $2 a day. And if you use it, and I really use it practically every day, sometimes 2-3 times a day. Sometimes I miss, but if I'm not using it, then it's probably because I don't really need it. But I do use it now, even a lot of the times, even when I don't need it, because it just helps me recover faster. It's good to improve muscle circulation, undo scar tissue. It helps with mobility, muscle activation. So it's really good. So you could get these. There's other types of machines that are worth like I think the Tim Tam, right? That one goes for about $200 now. So I mean, you could just get that instead of getting this, right? And I'm sure there's a lot of companies that are coming up with these machines now because they're jumping on the bandwagon. Like people, it's getting really popular, right? Especially with athletes and stuff like that. With athletes, it's been a while, but I mean now with the general population. So Tim Tam, you can get that for $200. So you should like the main reason why I got this one, right, was because the arm is adjustable, okay? That's one of the features, but the 2 main reason is this one, how do you say it, it doesn't stall, because some machines, it stalls, right? Like if you press on it, you see, like if I were to push really hard, it would stall the motor and it would stop. So that's why I got this one, because it doesn't stall, according to the reviews that I watched. And then another thing is 2 batteries. And the other main thing was, wait, let me think here. The other thing was, okay, that's kind of silly because I don't remember. Well, I like the 2 battery thing, okay? So it has 2 batteries. It doesn't stall. Oh, the other thing, sorry guys, it's the noise. It's not that noisy. You see, like for example, some machines are like it's really terrible. It's like if you're turning, I'm gonna lower myself down here. Some machines, like from my understanding from the reviews I saw, right? Tim Tam, for example, is really loud. It sounds like a real it's a drill, man. Like if you go buy yourself a percussion drill at the hardware store or whatever. I mean, it's really loud. It's like it's almost deafening, from my understanding, right? So this one is not like super, how do you say? It's not like it does, you hear it, but it's really not as bad, So that's why I got this one. So it was for the noise, right? Because you can't stall it. And then some fun features with it was, you have 2 batteries, you can adjust the arm, it looks cool as shit. And what else? Oh, just the way it's made here. the way you can hold it and all that. So I really recommend this. I'm gonna put a link down below. Now they don't have if you guys could just go to Theragun.com if you want to buy this one, but I'm gonna put a link down below to go to Amazon because there's different models there. So you might not want to spend how do you call it, like me, like $800 something for this, right? Because I'm a trainer too. So you guys have to remember that I use this on myself, right, mostly, but I mean I use a lot on my clients too, like the ones that that I feel like using it on. And who need it, of course, right? So yeah, man, I really recommend this. So whether you buy this one or not, another model, it doesn't matter, you know. But you should definitely think about it, you know. And you guys have to remember, this is like a deep tissue massage, right? So what that means is that, well, what a masseuse has to do. Okay, I'm sure there's other things that a masseuse can do, right, that this machine can't do. But in terms of deep tissue massage, right, I mean, wow, this thing it gets the job done much faster. So what a masseuse could do for you, you know, like in an hour, this could do like in what, 5 minutes, not even, you know. And oh, you have, well, just to show you guys something here, you have different bits, so to speak, right? So you have all kinds of bits, cones, wedges, whatever, you know. So that's another reason why I bought this one too, because it had a lot of cool bits, cool accessories that are practical. So all right, that's it for this video, guys. I'll put a link down below. If you guys enjoyed this video, or if you have any questions regarding this, you know, let me know. I know it's hard, it's not easy to hit the back, but that's why you have to have friends in life, okay? Okay, so I'll put a link down below on Amazon. Like, I think they do sell a different model, you know, but go check it out, or just go to the site and, you know, yeah, check it out, like I said. So if you like the video, and of course, share it and comment, questions, whatever. Okay, thanks guys. See you later.